In this part, we are going to demonstrate how to use the tuple unpacking in the functions. For example, you can see we are going to check the age of all the users. And first we have the results is Amy and 45 years old and John is 76 years old. And then we have the check age function. The check age function is going to put the list inside here, and then it allows the user to input their name and also their age. And you can see we have the integer at here because no matter you input from here, it will turn out to be a string. So you have to convert this to integer or floating values in order to do the comparisons at here later. So after you get the name and age, then it will append at here, and you can see this is also an integer. So now you have the age and also the name, and now you have to define the mass age is equal to 0, and then the mass user is an empty string. And then for each of the user, we are going to compare with the mass age and also the mass user. So if the first one is 45 is greater than 0, because at the first time we use this function, 45 is greater than 0, and then the mass age will become 45. And then later, if this is 76 is greater than 45, then this will turn out the mass age is 76. And then we will get the mass age is 76 and the mass user is the user. And this is the tuple unpacking, so it will get the value John and also the age is 76 at here. And this will return the mass user is John and the age is 76. So now we can try to execute this statement, and then we are going to it will return mass user and mass age. So now you can have mass user and mass age. It will then put it at here by using the fprint, and then it will told who is the oldest person and his age. So for example, we execute this one, it will ask you the username and also the age. So for example, we put the value is Tom, and then we want to put the age is smaller because we want to check whether John will appear. Now you can see, because if you put 12 at here, the 12 cannot be greater than 76. So actually this will not go to mass age is Tom. This will not execute this line. So it will remain the mass age is 76 and the mass user is John. So now you can see it will get John and the age is 76. So if we execute this again and then we type a Tom 2, and then this time we for example we set the age is 92. So now this will get the oldest person is Tom 2 and his age is 92. And the other is you can actually do not use the tuple unpacking here. You just return the result, and then it will also can display the Tom and also the age, because it will get the first one and put it here, and the second one, because we have the index, and put it here. So let's check it. For example, we put another name such as Alan, and then for example 88. Now you can see this is Tom 2 and this is 92. It has used this result. And let's see, oh yes, because we're still using Tom is the greatest one. So for example, Peter is 100 years old, and then we execute this one, and now you can see we have the tuple is Peter and the age is 100, and now you can see the result is Peter and the age is 100. So this is how to use the tuple unpacking inside the function.